Hello friends, my name is Satyam Sam Pradhan. Today we are going to discuss science part 2. It will have 50 questions. First question is, which fiber is known as golden fiber? The answer is jute fiber. Golden fiber is an appropriate name for the yellowish brown color and shiny appearance of jute. The next question is, which part of the jute plant is used for getting jute fiber? The answer is stem. Jute is cultivated during rainy season. It is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. The next question is, yarn is made from very thin strands called dash. The answer is fibers. Yarn is a long continuous length of interlock fiber that is woven or knitted for forming garments. The next question is, the fiber which are obtained by blending natural and synthetic fiber are called dash. The answer is mixed fibers. The next question is, fibers which are obtained from plants and animal source are called dash. The answer is natural fibers. Cotton and jute are example of plant fiber where wool and silk are obtained from animals. The next question is, fibers which are made from chemical substances are called dash. The answer is synthetic fibers. Some example of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon and acrylic. The next question is, the process of arranging two sides of yarn together to make a fabric is called dash. The answer is weaving. Weaving of fabric is done on loom. Looms are either hand operated or power operated. The next question is, the process of making fabric with a single yarn is called dash. The answer is knitting. Knitting is done by hand and also on machines. The next question is, the process of making fabric with a single yarn from fibers is called dash. The answer is spinning. Handmade devices like takli and charka are used for spinning, whereas spinning on large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. The next question is, use of charka was popularized by dash as a part of independence movement. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn called khadi. The next question is, fibers are separated from the seeds of cotton bolls by combing. This process is known as dash. The answer is ginning. Traditionally, ginning was done by hands. Nowadays, machines are also used for ginning. The next question is, in ancient time, which country cultivated flax near river Nile? The answer is Egypt. The next question is, dash plant grows best in black soil and warm climate. The answer is cotton. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant. Gujarat is leading cotton growing state, followed by Maharashtra. The next question is, which fabric has the capacity of absorbing sweat and to make our body cool and comfortable? The answer is cotton. The next question is, the process of getting fibers from the jute stem is called dash. The answer is retting. Retting means the stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stem, rot and fibers are separated by hand. The next question is, jute is grown in dash soil. The answer is alluvial soil. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. The next question is, number of yarns used to make fabric by weaving and knitting are dash and dash. The answer is 2 sets of yarn for weaving and single in knitting. The next question is, plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash. The answer is cotton and jute. The next question is, animal fibers are from dash and dash. The answer is silk and wool. Animal fibers and plant fibers are natural fibers. The next question is, twisting of fibers into yarn increases the dash of fibers. The answer is cohesion and strength. Two main processes of getting fabric from yarn are weaving and knitting. The next question is, which fabric is used for making gunny bags? The answer is jute. Jute is not suitable for making cloths because they are rough and coarse. Therefore, they are used for making gunny bags. The next question is, which country first invented silk? The answer is China. Silk industry began in China and was kept a secret for hundreds of years. Later, traders and travelers introduced silk to other countries. The next question is, the process of cultivating silkworm is called dash. The answer is sericulture. The next question is, coir is obtained from dash. The answer is coconut. Coconut fiber are very hard and rough, so they are used to make ropes, footmat, mattress, etc. The next question is, another name of jute plant is dash. The answer is patson. The jute plant is often known as patson in countryside area. The next question is, compression of raw cotton into bundles is known as dash. The answer is baling. The next question is, the cloth made of stem fibers of flax is called dash. The answer is linen. The next question is the process of obtaining wool from the sheep is called dash. The answer is shearing. Wool is obtained from fleece of the sheep or yak. The fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This is called shearing. The next question is what is the length of the jute fibers? The answer is 6 to 8 feet in length. The next question is materials are grouped together on the basis of dash and dash in properties. The answer is similarity and differences. Things are grouped together for convenience and to study their properties. The next question is the space between particles is maximum in dash. The answer is gases. In solids, particles are tightly packed. In liquid, space of particle is larger than solid but smaller than gases. In gaseous states, they are loosely packed. The next question is liquid that mix well with one another are called dash. The answer is miscible. For example, lemon juice and vinegar are completely soluble in water. The next question is those substances through which things can be seen are called dash. The answer is transparent materials. Glass, water, air and some plastics are example of transparent materials. The next question is those substances through which things can be seen but not clearly is called dash. The answer is translucent. Oil, paper and muslin cloth are example of translucent materials. The next question is materials through which things cannot be seen are called dash. The answer is opaque. Wood, cardboard and metals are example of opaque objects. The next question is liquids that do not mix with one another are called dash. The answer is immiscible. Oil and water are example of immiscible liquids. The next question is clay is used for making pots and bricks because of its dash. The answer is malleability. Malleability is a property of substances by which they can be beaten into thin sheets. The next question is material which conducts heat quickly are called dash. The answer is conductor. Generally, all metals are good conductors of heat. The next question is metal which have a lustre are called dash. The answer is lustrous materials. The next question is how does aquatic animals survive in water? The answer is due to oxygen gas dissolved in water. The next question is the substance that dissolve in water are called dash. The answer is soluble. Salt and sugar are good examples of soluble. The next question is the substance which do not dissolve in water is called dash. The answer is insoluble. Chalk powder, sawdust, sand are example of insoluble substances. The next question is material which are difficult to press or scratch are called dash. The answer is hard. The next question is material which can be pressed or scratched easily are called dash. The answer is soft. An eraser is a soft material while sharpener is a hard material. The next question is silk fiber has dash while cotton does not. The answer is lustre. The next question is the process of grouping the things in on the basis of similarity is called dash. The answer is classification. The next question is which gas is responsible for fizz in soft drinks? The answer is carbon dioxide. The next question is a sugar syrup is a dash. The answer is solution. When a solute and a solvent mix together, they form a solution. In sugar syrup, water is solute and sugar is solvent. The next question is the property of a substance that decides whether it will float or sink in water is dash. The answer is density. Density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. If an object is heavy and compact, it has high density and vice versa. Objects which are less denser than water they float and which are more denser than water they sink in water. The next question is water is called dash because it dissolves large number of things. The answer is universal solvent. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.